So as I said in the video I recorded yesterday, I'm gonna go on the highway today, which is right there. I pulled over to start recording because, like I said, I'm having space issues on my phone, so I didn't want a whole bunch of extra video of me just getting to the highway. So I came here to start recording, and looks like fun. Big open empty parking lot. If I was dressed a little better, might practice some wheelies, but not like this. I mean, right next to the highway probably isn't the best idea because police. But I mean, they'd have to go out of their way to come back and stop you, which does sound like something they would do. I was worried I wasn't going to be able to ride today, but it's not supposed to start raining for a few more hours, so I should be good, hopefully. The main reason I'm going this way today for a video is because, one, to mix it up, like go a different route than usual, and two, because I'm hoping for some interaction. So like whether I find other bikers or someone that wants to race or just people at red lights, like stuff like that. I'm looking for fun interaction. Hopefully it happens a little bit. It is going to kind of suck for me and the bike because it's going to be a lot of red lights and a lot of traffic. So it's going to be hot, especially because it's still like 90 degrees and you can see the bike's already at 212 now. So we're going to be doing a lot of sitting, just like this. So that part's not fun. So I'm really hoping to have some cool interactions with people to make it worth it. The other reason I wouldn't want to go this way is much more likely to see cops, which, like, I don't do anything illegal, so it's not really that big of a deal. It's just kind of like a paranoia, I guess, knowing that they can still try to mess with you or give you tickets for no reason and stuff. Also, really bad drivers in this area. I'm not sure if anybody recognizes it right away, but this area, it has horrible drivers, and this is where you see a lot of them. So I'm not too excited for that. Before I lived here, I always said I would hate riding in this area because of the drivers and the traffic and everything. Now I clearly don't have a choice, but it is what it is, I guess. One time I was in my car, it was literally right here. I had to drive onto the shoulder pretty far because someone was in this lane that I'm in right now. I was in that lane in my car. They just threw their turn signal on and started going. They did not look at all. She just kept moving over. I looked at her. This is why I don't text and drive, so I can like notice stuff like this. I look over at her. She's just going right along, not even looking over at me. So I slam my horn, and she like starts to panic, and then hurries up and finally gets back into her lane, while her boyfriend was in the passenger seat, like freaking out because he noticed me. But I had to drive almost completely onto the shoulder so that I didn't get hit because she didn't want to pay attention. And that's very common. See, look at that. You got a guy just chilling on his phone. Exactly the kind of stuff I'm talking about. People love to just switch lanes here with very little warning. Text and drive a lot. Tailgate. Oh my god, I did not expect that. I just came off the bike a little bit. But they tailgate, all kinds of stuff. So I'm not a huge fan of riding in this area. And I kind of want a lane filter just to protect myself. But I could technically get a ticket for that. For some reason, people in cars get pissed off a lot when you do it. Even though it's literally not affecting them at all. It makes no sense. my car is loud too, and I was like right next to that girl, so she had absolutely no excuse to not know I was there. People are just horrible drivers. I'll put it nicely. There's a lot of people that should not be on the road. I'm probably going to be a little less talkative, just because of everything I did just talk about, how bad people are driving here. I feel like I got to be more alert, more focused on what I'm doing. So I might be a little less talkative, but you won't really know that because all that part's going to get cut out anyways. Blows my mind that the posted speed limit here is only 45, because like if you look at the road, this should be like at least 60. Yeah, I stopped right in the middle of the car in front of me, which for you new beginner riders, if you would like a free tip, don't do that. What I just did, that's a bad idea. Stopping right in the middle of the car in front of you, you're more likely to get sandwiched. They're less likely to notice that there's a bike there because people don't pay attention. So you want to stop on the sides of them if you can, if there's just one of you. That way you're less likely to get crushed in between two cars. Keep stuttering, sorry. The dude just fucking smiled at me. What are you smiling for, jackass? Did you see that? Bruh, this is... I'm glad I have video evidence of why I don't want to ride on this road. I've been out here for 10 minutes. That dude just proved everything I've been talking about. Oh my... And he just smiles at me and laughs. No, that's not funny. Fuck you laughing at? You just move over with no signal or anything while I'm right next to you. Just about. And then you just laugh it off? By the way, the bike did sound amazing. When I tried to get his attention, oh, that was beautiful. But still pissed at him. Clip that, chat. It's a nice Maserati. Ooh, there's a C8. Alright, I don't want that dude behind me, because if he can't see what's beside him, I don't want to find out if he knows what's in front of him. So I'm going to turn around here. Also, there's nice cars going the other way, so hopefully I find more of them or can catch up to him. I hope he doesn't try to talk to me up here. Yeah, remember that thing I said about don't stop in the middle of the car? This is, I'm doing it again to show you what not to do. If I wanted to catch up to that C8, which I do, I would have to really, I want to say step on it or floor it, but neither of those are right because it's using your wrist. So I'd have to really gun it. There we go. Which, with everything I've talked about and that guy not paying attention, I'm gonna pass as much as I want to. Okay, so now I'm gonna do it the right way because I'm thinking about it. I'm gonna stop right here. Oh, of course, the light's changing. But see, I want to stop off to the side because I'm less likely to get sandwiched. Of course, now all of the nice cars are in that lane going that way. Now that I'm going this way. Happens every single time. Perfect example. I'm getting extremely hot. Like I'm going 50. I'm in just a t-shirt, but I'm still starting to get really hot and sweaty in this helmet. This is rough. I'm not going to get over in the right lane because the guy in the truck almost hit the person in front of him when they were turning. So I'd rather not be in front of that guy. At this rate, it's looking like the only interaction I'm going to get is almost getting ran into. So I don't know if this was worth it. There's a Cybertruck. What did that say on it? That was wrapped. It was wrapped in like a greenish, like really dark green. Like a metallic greenish almost. I don't know how to describe it. I'm bad with colors and words. But that was wrapped and it had some writing on the side too. But that's the second Cybertruck I've seen in this area. Of course, going the other way. Just like that. They almost did it. They just about sent it. I'm gonna be honest, this was not my most fun video to record because now I have to drive for other people more than I normally would. So I gotta like really focus on that. Like it feels like being on the highway for the first time again. When it very much isn't my first time. People are just that bad here. That's good. My front right turn signal is not working. Dude, I swear, it's a new problem every day with this bike. It's getting old. That's why I was bidding on a 2020 R6, but didn't get it. Well, that was somewhat eventful, but also not at the same time. A little disappointed. I was hoping to get better for you guys. Like a race or something. Someone to talk to, I don't know. Didn't happen. But maybe next time. So that's gonna be it for this one because I'm dying. I'm getting really hot. I gotta go home, eat and stuff, so I'm gonna wrap this one up. Right now I'm doing 2 videos a week, so that's better than one, doing Wednesdays and Sundays. Hope you guys enjoy that. I'm gonna try to keep that up for a good bit. I don't know. Probably gonna get busy here soon, but I'm gonna try. So I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, and I'll see you next time I go riding. Later.